Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to know organic watermelon. First, let's discuss the visual cues. Organic watermelons often have a duller, less shiny rind compared to conventionally grown ones. This is a key indicator to look for when making your selection. Also, pay close attention to the field spot, which should be a deep, creamy yellow or even orange, not white. This spot indicates where the watermelon rested on the ground and ripened naturally. The field spot is crucial for identifying a truly ripe and potentially organic watermelon. A vibrant, creamy yellow or even orange spot suggests the fruit ripened naturally on the vine. If the spot is white or barely visible, it might have been picked too early. Additionally, feel the rind. It should be firm and free of soft spots, indicating good quality and proper handling. Next, let's consider weight and sound. A ripe, organic watermelon should feel surprisingly heavy for its size, indicating it's full of water. Give it a good tap. A deep, hollow sound is a positive sign of ripeness. Also, examine the stem. A dried, shriveled stem means the watermelon was allowed to fully mature on the vine before being harvested, which is ideal. Finally, consider the overall appearance. Organic watermelons might not look perfectly uniform. Minor imperfections are often natural. While not always present, an organic certification label is a clear indicator. Always select watermelons that feel firm and have a relatively symmetrical shape. These steps will help you confidently choose a delicious, naturally grown watermelon for your enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.